Good afternoon, everybody. I will present a work done in collaboration with Chile University and with the MGH at Boston. The idea is how can we use the game technology for creating application in the medical domain, and in this specific case, how to develop a screening application for neurological assessment. The idea is that to create new tests in this domain is very unique. I mean, software is usually very expensive, and even if the test has been created by yourself, you have not the right to distribute it. And there's not many options for open collaboration. So the things that we want to do is to create tests that are ecologically valid, that could be deployable in standard hardware and software, that could be found in any clinical setting, either hospital or even also primary care, and also that could be shareable and modifiable by the clinical personnel. And also we are applying that to executive dysfunction because it was the specialty of the medical people involved there. So the objective is how to use this technology that is already available, that is game technology is now, there's a lot of interest into that. Games is a much more important industry than films. So we have a lot of technology there that can be used to create new interfaces that can be applied to learning things or for teaching things in the medical domain, and also for doing a screening of some neurological problems that are very, very specific. So there's not a lot of clinical or medical personnel who know how to determine that this is the problem that the patient has. So we have been working with neuropsychologists in cooperation with programmers, and we are using eAdventure, that is a technology that has been produced in our lab, for creating different tests. The idea is to use the Wikipedia approach to the creating of new tests in this environment, and to analyze the applicability with actual patients. We have created two different tests. One of them is a standard test. The other one was proposed by medical personnel at the MGH. It's just creating a cup of tea for those people that cannot complete plans. The idea is that these simulations can be deployed, can be produced at very low cost, has high maintainability, and can be produced or modified at least by medical personnel. And it has been tested, it can be deployed in computers and also in tablets for a more natural interaction. Which is the wish list? It's just to identify other kind of application in the medical domain, other clinical or research group that are interested into this application, and trying to test the validity of this with a larger set of patients, and any other kind of application of the game technology that you can foresee. Thank you very much.